looks like we're ready to roll. Okay, so our next speaker is MohammadReza Seyedi, and he's from Civil Engineering, and he's going to speak to us this afternoon about safety assessment of the interaction between autonomous shuttle bus and vulnerable road users. Reza, take it away.
Thank you so much for joining this event. My name is Reza. So today I'm going to talk about the safety assessment of the interaction between the autonomous shuttle bus and vulnerable road users. And what I mean by safety assessment of the interaction is to understand any situation that can lead to the crash or increase the risk of crash between the vulnerable road users, such as pedestrians or bicyclists, and autonomous vehicles, which in our case it's autonomous shuttle bus. So what's the dream about the autonomous vehicle? It's when everything is perfect and work as it's designed, the rush hour would be something that I'm going to show you in this video. And you will see the safest interaction that you will see in the future. Well, that is for the perfect world, but for sure, we are living in the actual world and we have many different safety issues regarding the autonomous vehicle, such as the sensor malfunction, which for any reason that sensors may not work as it's designed, for example, in an adverse weather condition. We also have the cybersecurity breach, which brings many challenges into the autonomous safety. And also we have the risk-taking behaviors of the people and road users. And finally, the communication errors, which can happen between the vehicles or happen between the vehicle, the communication between the vehicle and infrastructure. But we are not looking at the reasons and why they happen. We are looking at the outcome of those errors and malfunctions and why and how they will affect the bus performance and also the risk of the crash to the pedestrians and road users. Because why we are looking at it, because any crash for driving vehicles can have a huge negative impact on the community. And people think, okay, the machines are going to destroy the mankind. Sure. And that's why in our research, we are collaborating with Jacksonville Transportation Authority. And this research is supported by Federal Transit Administration. And our industry partner is located in the downtown Jacksonville. And this research has two phases. The first phase would be the computer simulation, and the last phase would be the experimental test. And in our research, we are going to analyze and quantify the risk of crash and between the autonomous shuttle bus and road users. In this physical-based computation simulation, we are modeling and developing three main elements of the traffic system. For example, in our case, it would be the bus model for the vehicle, and the VR use model, we are developing the model for the pedestrian and bicyclists, and also for the scene model, we are developing the model for the road geometry and road condition. And we create many different scenarios and crash scenarios and high-risk scenarios for the road users and try to quantify those to see what will exactly happen between those. And with this method, we are thinking that our research would be innovative because most of the studies thus far are looking to develop the technologies to detect, to perceive and predict the road users' behavior, or maybe try to develop the communication methods. But in our research, we are going to provide information for the road users to set the appropriate expectation of the AV system or autonomous vehicle system, and also for the consumers or passengers to increase the public awareness and public acceptance And finally, for the transit agencies and also manufacturers to provide a safety guideline and safety measurements guideline that they can measure the safety performance of those systems. So we are really excited about this, and because this is the primary stage of our research and we don't have final results that I can share you today. But here is my presentation. Thank you so much.